What's up? So, I'm exiting from these paper positions that I had open to not confuse anybody. I just looked at KBLB. I was up like 30 bucks from where I first saw it in the 23s. It looks like Tim's classic pattern, penny stocking framework, the ramp up, the dip, the bounce, and then it's going to be the long kiss goodnight. Um, so for 1 second I was like, oh, it's ramping into the close. Let me buy it. But based on what I know about the pattern, I don't feel so confident in that. Maybe it could go up to the 35s, right? Who knows? I don't know. I just don't want to do that. Part of me does, part of me doesn't. I think it would have been a great buy from the bottom here in the 20s. Even 1,000 shares was like 30 bucks. So, oh well. A lot of buyers, I think, are looking at this. It is the top percent gainer. It is a low no, it's not a low float. Sorry. It's not a low float. So I think it's harder for it to move, but it just got that volume here, which pushed it a couple cents. I don't really know. I don't even know what I'm talking about. How did OTLK do? Just steady downtrend from, where I bought and exited. So glad I didn't hold this overnight. I think the pattern that it has going on, let's check the daily chart. I think so. This is like day 4 of the run up. I don't know why people are interested in buying it unless they're looking for like a dip. No clue. Because it's not closing strong, I don't think. And it's red on the day. What about BioC? How is this doing? This is also a downtrend. How is this one? Had a nice bounce this morning. That's all I see. Earnings came out today. I want to take a look at this one. This is my first time looking at the market today. I am out of day trades, so I was like, whatever. Let's see what we got here. Had a nice run and then came back down, and it's just at VWAP now. Well, it's up a lot of percent on the day. Let's see what we're looking at on the daily. So it's another gap down, gap fill. Just like OTLK, I guess these gap fills are popular nowadays. $0.38, lots of buyers. Do I want to hold it into tomorrow? It's only $1. What is it spiking off of? 4 p.m. yesterday. Clinical data, it's a biotech. What would my risk level be? Oops. $0.80 area. It did break pre-market highs today. Let's see, this was our highs. Biotechs can be tricky because they go up massively and they go down massively. So I don't have a day trade, so I I just don't know. I know I can hold it overnight. It's up a lot on the day. It's a biotech. If I buy it near VWAP, I can be risking 20 cents. I think what I've heard is that a stock should be holding its highs into the close. This is not that pattern. So this looks to be something random. However, it is a 22 mil float that has rotated twice. Over twice. Twice over. More than twice. So not sure. What's another low float? This reminds me of ASPCA. No. Ah, BTCS. I think that's a Bitcoin play. Weird choppy chart. Yeah, I think blockchain is coming back. Let me actually see where Bitcoin is at. Hold on. Bitcoin is in the 7,914 and 16 cents. So I think Bitcoin has been ramping for a little bit, so I wouldn't be surprised to see the Bitcoin stocks come back. Plus it's a low float, although it didn't trade much, so I'll keep my eye on it. This was the one I was looking at. Smart. I'm not interested in Smart. Let me see PRTO. Toronto. Another biotech. If it was still above this channel, I would say, okay, it's holding its highs. But it is not, and it recently came out with a change to the 8K, so something SEC filings related. I'm not sure what that is, but if you do know what it is, help me out. Help a girl out. Help a girl out. KBLB has 2 pieces of news. Let's actually see what those pieces of news are. Breakfast bits. What is, oh, isn't it spider silk? No idea. Let's see how the overall market's doing. It's above this channel, above the 280s, but still red on the day. OTLK. I'm not interested in BioC anymore. I'm going to eliminate it just to save some space. This one has my attention just because it's up really high, it's doubled its float, it's generally a low float, but it is a biotech, and I think we looked at the daily chart and it's a gap fill, so that's another, point of interest I've seen recently. So this is just going to be a watch. And then Friday I have my 2 day trades back, which is great. And hopefully something will be moving then. Gotta wait 2 more days, 1 more day. So no play for me today. But those are my thoughts for now. That's it. Bye.